Gabriella, I have a confession to make. I am a two-stroker. I hope you can live with me.
Okay, so today I'm going to be going over switching to a two-stroke from a four-stroke. And man, what a world of a difference has a two-stroke made in my riding. It has made me a significantly better rider. Me and my buddies mainly do hard enduro stuff, light to moderate enduro stuff. So having a two-stroke with electric start, that's a lot lighter, that has way better suspension. I can't explain how much better of a rider I am now compared to with my old XR 250. The instant power of my two-stroke is so helpful for logs and obstacles.
Oh man, I'm used to my two-stroke.
After struggling on my XR and flipping over the handlebars, I cleaned that section in 10 seconds on my Beta. Man, what a world of a difference has this bike made. The handling and suspension on my Beta is far better than my XR. Of course, I'm comparing apples to oranges, but still.
Oh gosh, right where Brent got stuck. Gosh!
Going through this section with the instant power and suspension of my Beta, I am able to clean it and not loop my bike out. Man, what a world of a difference has this bike made. The dudes over at Cross Training Enduro say it's 80% the rider and 20% the bike. Although I agree with them on some points, if it was flat ground, having a two-stroke for the type of riding like you would see in the video is far better than having a four-stroke. I have found it to be hard fact that four strokes cause you to mouth breathe and to have excessively large right leg muscles. I'd say the only thing that this bike has over the Beta is a good turning radius. That's pretty much about the only pro I can think about.
Come on, XR.
I stand corrected. Trying to lift a four-stroke in hard trails will keep you in shape. And I mean, hey. Who wants to pay for a gym membership when you can lift a dirt bike?
Handlebars are definitely wider on this bike.
And I tell you what, having a hydraulic clutch on my Beta compared to this cable clutch on my XR, oh man, does it save my clutch hand a whole lot of pain and suffering. And I tell you what, four strokes stall so much easier than two strokes. So when you have a kickstart and you constantly stall your bike, It's not fun. I don't care how good your clutch control is. You try it.
That's where electric start comes in handy.
If you want a challenge, hold a 260-pound bike on a steep hill while trying to kickstart without rolling backwards. I've ridden my XR out here on trails like this for about a year. Hey, I applaud myself. This is a pain in the butt.
Damn it. Overshot that turn. I apologize about the mouth breathing. XR will do that to you.
Hey, what did I tell you, you four-stroke mouth breathers? It happens.
Yep. I'm a two-stroker. What can I say? Goodbye, XR.
Truth is the truth. You can't argue with it. Hey, I'll keep this bike as a backup because it is a tank and it has served me reliably for a year. But it is currently sitting in the shed with no gasoline in the carburetor.
It's the last two. Come on.
The common mindset of a four-stroker, just waiting for the trail to end. Hot darn, I didn't know pigs could climb. And now it's time for the beta to completely clean this section. Man, I love this beta. My wife even named this beta. Its name is Benny. Benny the Beta. Who doesn't love the purr of a grunting two-stroke? You'll notice a significant less amount of mouth breathing. Kind of ironic because you'd think that smokers wouldn't be able to breathe very well. strokes just make you feel like you're going so much faster than you actually are. But you actually still move quite a bit faster than if you were on a 4-stroke. So in conclusion, I really like the lightweight feel of the 2-stroke. The snappy power is very useful for technical situation and riding, and honestly, I'll never go back. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and comment, period.
Yeah.